Do you want to start using Stash Hub, but you're reluctant to move everything over from Trello where you've already got it catalogued? I'm going to show you a speedy way to move your fabric from Trello into Stash Hub. So I'm using the web version of Stash Hub, which is web.stashhubapp.com. So if you've already set up an account on the app, you can just log in with the same username and password, and then you'll be able to use Stash Hub on your computer as well. This will work on your phone as well, by the way, but I'm just showing it on the computer because it's a bit easier. Windows side by side so you can see them both. So this is my Stash Hub with all my fabrics in, and then this is the Trello board that I used to use before we created Stash Hub. So let's pick a fabric to move over from Trello into Stash Hub. So for example, let's pick this one. You can see I've got the picture at the top and then all the info is just written here into this box. And then to add it to Stash Hub, I'm going to click on the plus button in Stash Hub and then magic input. So you'll see at the top, it says URL. That is the kind of main use case for magic input. If you buy new fabric online, you can just paste the web address of the web listing in there and magic input will extract all the information for you. But I'm going to switch at the top to text, and then I'll go into this box, select all the information, copy it, and then paste it into this box, and then click submit. And so then magic input will take all of this information and put it into the correct fields in Stash Hub, which saves so much time typing it all out one by one. So we'll just wait for that to do its magic. Here we go. So we can see we've got the name, Rainbow Network in the top, and then the information, including the care instructions, which is really helpful. So we can see the length, 1.5, the width is correct. So you're going to want to go through and just quickly check that this information is correct, because there can be sometimes mistakes made by magic input. So here the price is set to $37.50. That seems very expensive, so let's just check. Yeah, it's actually 25 a meter, so I can just click into there and change it to 25. So you can go through, check everything, edit it if you need to, but that's all the info in there now. So let's do the photo. So if we scroll to the top, we can see there is a photo of the fabric, and then at the bottom of Trello there's an option to open in new tab. So let's just do that, and then we can copy that link, and then there's an option to add a photo from a URL. So we can paste that link, and then you can see at the end it says .jpeg. So this will only work with image type, so it will say .jpeg, .png, something like that, and then it will extract the photo and put it into your Stash Hub, so you don't need to download anything. So there we go, that photo is in, all the information's in. You can see that it's super speedy, so hopefully this method will help you to move your fabric catalogue over from Trello into Stash Hub, and then you can enjoy all the extra features of Stash Hub. So you can see we've got our photo there in the gallery, and you can add it to your projects, link it up with patterns and loads of exciting stuff. So hopefully that helps, and happy sewing.